Come here. Come here. Come on.
Hey. Okay.
This movie.
Span, correct.
It's gonna make it.
Hello. Hello.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
Don't look at Mark at me.
They just become a part of your DNA.
High five.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Oh my god. You know? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Let me.
Comet, I love you.
Why are you being such a beast?
Max, I knew you.
Antihistamine under Brian's tongue? I just don't want to wake you up. No?
Meow.
I love you more than that maiden.
You can hear me. Oh my god. What the Do it.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy. Bruh.
Selfie queen. Look how pretty she is.
The choice is yours. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
I'm not helping you. You're screwed.
Get out the way. Get out the way.
I don't like it.
Oh. Oh my god. Watch, I've been doing this to her for like 10 minutes.
Nothing there. What's wrong? Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
What are you doing? Oh no.
You're not very nice.
William, get ready.
Hey! What are you doing? Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Come here, buddy.
Krieger. Why are you so bad? You're no fun.
Hey!
King Julian! King Julian!
Oh my.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
Careful.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
Hey, producer, check out the frosting.
Oh, buddy.
No! Why do you hate me? You ready? Hold on. Okay.
Oh, shit.
You good?
You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Under arrest.
Are you stuck?
Stop. Stop it. Oh.
Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding?